Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today's topic of choice, we'll be talking little bit on neonatology, important questions regarding milestones, important questions regarding newborns, Muru reflex and pediatric cardiology questions. So let's start. So hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand, and now we're going to talk about very important basic questions on Muru reflex. So good afternoon ma'am. So ma'am, could you tell me what are the important causes of exaggerated Muru reflex?
Exaggerated motor reflex in hypoglycemia and stage 1 HIE.
Yeah, hypoglycemia and stage 1 HIE will have exaggerated Muru reflex. Very good. Ma'am, HIE, what is this HIE? What is the full form, ma'am? Any idea?
Hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy.
Very good. So, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy is the name for the HIE. Ma'am, what is the scoring system we use for HIE? What is the staging system we know?
Sarnet and Sarnet staging system. It has 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3.
Very good. So Sarnet and Sarnet is the name of the staging of the staging for the HIE. Ma'am, any other than Sarnet and Sarnet, do you know any name? So have you heard of Leveni staging?
Yes, Leveni staging
And
modified
Thompson. Modified Thompson scoring. Ma'am, Leveni staging. Do you know that this is a tough question? Do you know the points for Leveni staging? Do you remember it?
Yes. Tone, consciousness,
Very good.
seizures and shock.
Perfect. So consciousness, tone, seizure and suck are the 4 important points used in Leveni staging. Ma'am, what are the pupillary findings in the case of staging for HIE, which is important for AIIMS paper?
In stage 1 there is a mydriasis, stage 2 meiosis, and stage 3 in between of mydriasis and meiosis,
Unequal pupil or mid-dilated pupils. Very good. Ma'am, where do you see absent Muru reflex?
Absent Muru reflex seen in HIE grade 3.
Very good. And also in Down syndrome
Down
also,
syndrome.
Kernicterus also.
Kernicterus.
Very good. Ma'am, where do you see persistent Muru reflex?
Persistent Muru reflex seen in
Cerebral damage.
cerebral palsy.
Cerebral damage you can see basically. Yeah, right. Ma'am, what are the causes of asymmetric Muru reflex?
Fracture clavicle, absent Orb's palsy, Klumpke's palsy, and congenital hemiplegia.
Very good. Congenital hemiplegia. Very nice. Ma'am, Muru, when does Muru disappear, ma'am? Any idea?
Muru disappear at 5 to 6 months of age.
Very good. Ma'am, have you heard the name of trilogy, tetralogy and pentalogy of Fallot?
Yes.
So could you tell me what is trilogy of Fallot, ma'am?
Trilogy of Fallot contain 3 components: right ventricular hypertrophy, atrial septal defect, and pulmonary stenosis.
Very good. So the mnemonic is RAP, right? RVH with ASD with PS, which you have told. Very right. Ma'am, where do you see, ma'am, box shape heart? Box shape heart.
Box shape heart seen in abstinent anomaly.
Very good. Where do you see egg on string appearance? Egg on
string appearance seen in
TGA.
TGA.
Yeah, so what is TGA, ma'am?
Transposition of great artery.
Transposition of great arteries. Very good. Ma'am, could you tell me, name some congenital heart disease with oligemic lung fields? I mean, I want to ask you, like, what is the meaning of oligemic lung fields, ma'am?
Oligemic lung fields means decreased pulmonary blood flow.
Okay, very good.
Seen in pulmonary stenosis, pulmonary atresia, tricuspid stenosis, tricuspid atresia, tetralogy of Fallot, and abstinent anomaly.
And abstinent anomaly. Very good. So I'll just repeat again. So pulmonary atresia, pulmonary stenosis, tricuspid atresia, tricuspid stenosis, abstinent anomaly, and tetralogy of Fallot are the examples of congenital heart disease with oligemic lung fields. Ma'am, plethoric lung fields. What is the meaning of plethoric lung fields, ma'am?
Plethoric lung field means increased pulmonary blood flow.
Very good. Any examples can we remember?
Yes, atrial septal defect, ventricular septal defects, and patent ductus arteriosus.
Very good. Ma'am, patent ductus arteriosus is between what and what?
Descending aorta and pulmonary artery.
Descending aorta and pulmonary artery. Very good. Ma'am, what is the ECG finding of Epstein anomaly?
Himalayan P wave.
Himalayan P waves. Very good. Ma'am, can you help me, like, telling where, if the mother has taken erythromycin during pregnancy, ma'am, baby can have what defect?
Congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis.
Congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. Very good. Ma'am, where do you see single bubble, double bubble and triple bubble sign?
Single bubble sign seen in congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, double bubble sign seen in duodenal atresia, and triple bubble signs seen in jejunal atresia.
Perfect answer. Very good. You will definitely get a very good seat. So, ma'am, trisomy 13, 18, and 21. Could you name the examples?
Trisomy,
What are the syndromes associated?
trisomy 13 Patau syndrome, trisomy 80 Edwards syndrome, and trisomy 21 is Down syndrome.
Perfect answer. What kind of vomiting a baby will have in a case of congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis?
Projectile, profuse, and
Postprandial.
postprandial vomiting.
Postprandial means after eating.
Eating.
Right. So could you repeat again? What kind of vomiting are we expecting in CHPS?
Projectile, profuse, and postprandial vomiting.
Very good. So these were the important questions regarding neonatology, important one-liners. This was the part 4th of the Delhi's class, and the beginning earlier 3 parts are separately posted on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any topic to be covered, if you think any topic to be discussed, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day.